Hi kids, today I'm going to narrate you the story of Pebet. Pebet is a parrot. She has 3 kids. One day, Pebet told her kids about an evil cat. She told them that this cat is trying to eat them. She told them that they need to learn how to fly very soon. Then one day, the evil cat came smelling and looking for them. Finally, he found the tree where Pebet lives. Then he started calling, "Oh Pebet, are you there?" Then Pebet came out and said hi to the evil cat. Pebet told the cat that her kids are too small to eat. Pebet told the evil cat to come after a week. Then Pebet told her kids that it's time to learn how to fly. Otherwise the evil cat will come and eat them soon. Pebet started teaching her kids how to fly. They have learned how to fly in quick time. Then the evil cat came back after a week. He started calling, "Oh Pebet, are you there?" Then Pebet came out and started scolding the evil cat. "Hey you ugly cat, you evil cat. You are the stinkiest cat I have ever seen." Then the evil cat got very angry and started to attack Pebet and her kids. Pebet and her kids flew away, but the youngest one could not fly high. The cat caught the youngest one. Then the smart Pebet told the evil cat, "If you want to eat Pebet's daughter tastily, then you should give her bath and keep it in the sun." The foolish cat did as what Pebet says. The cat took bath the youngest Pebet and kept in the sun. The youngest Pebet started to have more energy. The youngest Pebet poofed to him and fly away. The evil cat, out of sadness, eat the poop and say, "How tasty Pebet would have been when the poop is so tasty." The end.